The Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, was born on October 31, 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. His remarkable journey took him from a prominent lawyer to the revered Iron Man of India. His journey began as a deputy commander in the Kheda Satyagraha, where he championed the rights of farmers. His leadership during the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928 earned him the title of Sardar, a testament to his dedication. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served as the first Deputy Prime Minister and first Home Minister of independent India. He played a crucial role in integrating 565 princely states into the Union of India. From Kashmir to Lakshadweep, he envisioned a nation where every voice and culture thrives together. His legacy reminds us that India's diversity is its greatest strength. Each culture contributes to the rich fabric of our nation. A visionary who dedicated his life to the principle of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. His exemplary leadership and unwavering discipline profoundly enriched India's legacy, fostering national unity and inspiring generations to come.